Gideon, pull up my research.
Yes, Professor. I also found some new records.
We finally found him. There he is. The one who told my great-grandfather he wouldn't amount to anything. What did he ever do to him? Nothing! Going around, ruining everyone else's lives just to make his better. Well, now the tables have turned. Today, I deal the cards.
And I've got an ace up my sleeve.
I can't use the time machine. It's too dangerous.
I guess it does have a few flaws.
Looks like I'm gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way.
$2021. Perfect.
Yeah, Mom, I'll be home in 10 minutes, I promise. Right after I make another call. Hey, you!
Yes?
Yeah, you! Can I use your phone? Mine just died.
No.
Don't think I care about what you want.
Who are you?
Let's just say I'm a distant relative. What's up, Mr. Sturgis?
He was such a nice kid. Why did this have to happen to him?
That's what you think.
I knew that this would happen. Good thing I took a few precautions.